Atomos NinjaCast. Now the NinjaCast is a pretty cool product because what it is the NinjaCast is a little dock port that you attach your Ninja to, and now you can actually use your Ninja for live streaming. It gives you 4 HDMI inputs, so you can now mix and select through the touchscreen of your Ninja how you want to mix and cut. Now, this is a cool product for basically using a tool you already own if you have a Ninja. If you don't have a Ninja, you could buy a Ninja 5 or a Ninja 5 Plus and the Cast in bundles at really good prices that we have available. But this is the NinjaCast kit, which includes the Ninja and the caster for $9.49. Very cool. I like it, easy to use. It's only going to get more powerful and more functional over time as we add more features to it. So, and I'm sure the folks at Atomos are going to be doing just that. So great job by the gang at Atomos. The Ninja is the best-selling field monitor recorder in the world. Gorgeous picture. It'll record ProRes 4K and above, ProRes RAW, and now with the Cast, you can actually use it as a video streamer or mixer. You need to take the USB output of that into your laptop, kind of similar to the RGB Link, and you can be streaming it on your way. So great job by the folks at Atomos.